Think you know your money? Let's find out. Take the financial literacy quiz covering budgeting, investing, debt, and compound interest and see how financially savvy you really are. Are you ready to test your skills? Welcome back to Simply Money. Today, we've got an exciting 20-question quiz to test your financial knowledge. Whether you're new to managing money or a seasoned pro, this quiz will challenge and educate you. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Financial literacy is crucial, but studies show that many people lack a clear understanding of basic money concepts. Poor budgeting, underestimating debt, or misunderstanding compound interest can cost you big time. Let's put your knowledge to the test and find out where you stand. Here we go. Write down your answers as we go through these questions, and we'll grade you at the end. Question number 1. If you follow the 50-30-20 rule, how much of your income should go toward wants like entertainment or dining out? 20%, 30%, 50%, 10%. Write your answer down. Question number 2. What's the first step in creating a budget? A, saving for retirement. B, tracking income and expenses. C, paying off all debt. Or D, investing in stocks. Number 3, if you earn $4,000 a month and spend $3,200, what is your savings rate? A, 20%, B, 10%, C, 25%, or D, 15%. Number 4, what does diversification mean in investing? A, spreading investments across different assets. B, buying stocks in only one industry. C, avoiding bonds altogether. Or D, keeping all your money in cash. Number 5, which investment typically offers the highest potential returns over the long term? A, savings accounts. B, bonds. C, stocks. Or D, certificates of deposits, CDs. Number 6, what is the primary benefit of a Roth IRA? A, tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. B, higher contribution limits than a 401k. C, no penalty for early withdrawals. Or D, employer matching contributions. Number 7, what is the recommended maximum percentage of your income that should go toward debt payments? A, 10%, B, 20%, C, 30%, or D, 40%. Number 8, which of the following is an example of good debt? A, credit card balances. B, student loans for higher education. C, a mortgage for a house. Or D, are car title loans. Number 9, if you only pay the minimum on your credit card, what happens? A, interest is charged on the remaining balance. B, your credit score increases immediately. C, the remaining balance is forgiven. D, you avoid all fees. Number 10, using the rule of 72, how long will it take you for your money to double at an annual return of 6%? A, 12 years. B, 6 years. C, 8 years. D, 9 years. All right, you're halfway through. How do you feel like you're doing? Let's continue. There's 10 more to go. Number 11, if you invest $5,000 at 5% annual compound interest for 10 years, approximately how much will it grow to? A, $6,000. B, $7,500. C, $8,000. Or D, $8,200. Number 12, what is compound interest? earning interest on your initial investment only. B, earning interest on both your principal and previously earned interest. C, the interest rate applied by banks on loans. D, a fee for withdrawing early from investments. Number 13. What is the ideal percentage of your income to save for retirement each year? A, 5%, B, 10 to 15%, C, 20%, or D, 25%. Number 14. Why is having an emergency fund important? A, it earns high interest in the stock market. B, it prevents relying on high interest debt for unexpected expenses. C, it eliminates the need for insurance. D, it guarantees financial independence. Number 15. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, how much should you have in an emergency fund? A, $3,000, B, $6,000, C, $9,000 to $18,000, D, $36,000. Number 16. What does a credit score measure? A, your net worth, B, your income level, C, your credit worthiness, or D, your total savings. Number 17. Which type of account is best for long-term growth? A, checking account, B, high-yield savings account, C, retirement account like a 401k, or D, basic savings account. Number 8. What is the difference between a 401k and an IRA? A, 401ks are employer-sponsored while IRAs are individual accounts. B, IRAs have higher contribution limits than 401ks. C, 401ks are only for self-employed individuals. D, IRAs offer employer matching. 19. What's the definition of inflation? A, a decrease in prices over time. B, an increase in prices over time. C, stability of prices over time. Or D, government spending on goods and services. Number 20, last question. Here we go. What's the best way to improve your credit score? A, closing unused credit cards. B, paying bills on time and reducing credit utilization. C, taking out multiple loans. D, avoiding credit altogether. Let's grade your performance, count your correct answers, and we'll give you a chart to see how financially savvy you are. So let's go over them. I'm just going to give you the answers. We go over them one at a time. Number 1 is B, 30%. Number 2 is B, tracking income and expenses. Number 3, A, 20%. Number 4, A, spreading investments across different assets. Number 5, C, stocks. Number 6, A, tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Number 8, mortgages. Now, I'm going to say this carefully. There is no good debt, but there is better debt. Credit cards, student loans, car titles, those are all assets where a mortgage is an appreciating asset. And think about this, when you're retired or living financially independent, your mortgage, once you get that paid off, you're reducing the amount you need for living. Or if you still have a mortgage, at least it's locked in and you're not having to increase like rent increases year over year. So it is better debt. There is no such thing, in my opinion, as good debt. I know there'll be some that disagree. Those of you that are into your arbitrage or leveraging, you can leave your comments and hate comments down below. That's okay. I prefer being debt-free, and the freedom, the stress that goes with that is amazing. Back to the quiz. Number 9, A, interest is charged on the remaining balance. Number 10, D, 12 years. Number 11, D, $8,200. Number 12, earning interest on both principal and previously earned interest. Power of compounding. Number 13, B, 10 to 15%. Of course, you want to try to increase that as you get debt paid off, but 10 to 15% is the goal. 14, B, it prevents relying on high interest debt for unexpected expenses. 15, C, $9,000 to $18,000. 16, C, your credit worthiness. 17, retirement accounts like a 401k. 18, 401ks are employer sponsored while IRAs are individual accounts. 19, B, an increase in prices over time. And 20, B, paying bills on time and reducing credit utilization. But get a load of this. As you become debt-free and you stop utilizing debt, you will lower your credit score. But the wonderful thing is when you get to that point in life, you no longer need credit. So don't let that scare you. It's a wonderful thing. Credit scores are run by the industry to keep you locked in, thinking you have to have this high credit score, so you have to keep credit alive. That is not what your goal should be. Yes, you want good credit when you're younger and needing to utilize it to get started. And you'll build credit as you're getting a house and getting things going. But once you start building this financial independence and you no longer need to utilize credit and you do away with it, your credit score will drop. It is okay. So let's see how you did. Look at the chart that I've attached here. If you got 18 to 20, you're a financial wizard. You're a money master. Your financially literacy is top notch. If you got 15 to 17, you're a money mentor. You're highly knowledgeable, just a few tweaks to perfect your skills. 10 to 14, correct? Budget balancer. Good job. You've got the basics down, but could dig deeper into a few areas. 5 to 9 correct answers. Your savings starter. You're learning, and that's what counts. Keep building your financial foundation. And 0 to 4, cash clueless. Everyone starts somewhere. Time to level up your money game, and that's why we're here at Simply Money, to help you build your financial literacy and achieve your financial independence. That's it for today. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Share it with someone else to test their financial literacy against you. See if you score better than them. Leave a comment down below how you score. Put your score below and let us know. Share with the group, and I'll see you next time on Simply Money.